What's up, guys? Running this mini Raz for Tempe. It's for 10 spots into his break 3-box mixer, break number 247. We've got 20 spots. We're going to go 5 times, and the top 10 after the 5th random are each going to win a spot into the main. So I'm going to copy the list, scroll down, post live in the thread. It was posted at 3:05. It is 3:05. We're going over to random.org. We're going to post our list. We're going 5 times. We've got 20 names. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy the timestamp, post it over into the thread. It was posted at 3:06. It is 3:06. Back over to random.org. 5th and final. Good luck to everyone. Top 10. Pedro, Daryl, Stephen, Anthony, Jenna, Bill, Kyle, Pedro, Jason, and Killian. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Copy the final timestamp, post it over into the thread. It was posted at 3:06. It is 3:06. There we go. Thanks, guys. Congrats to the winners.